This tutorial guides you through withdrawing funds from your Decaf balance directly to a bank account. Go to your dashboard at decaf.so. Your business balance shows the funds currently available for withdrawal. Click Send, and then select Bank Transfer. Click Add Bank Account. You'll see a wide range of countries where you can send funds directly to bank accounts. Select the country where you want to send the funds. Click Continue Setup to do a one-time verification. Once your verification is approved, you can add the recipient's bank account details. You can continue adding bank accounts from any of our supported countries, and they'll all appear listed here. Select the account you want to send funds to and click Use this account. You'll see a calculator showing the current exchange rate. Enter the amount you want to send, and you'll see the estimated amount the recipient will get. Confirm the withdrawal, and that's it. Your bank transfer is on its way.